Right, nangina kwenye ati Minista wa Urimi na Ndedi ya Kenya midika LINTURI ne kirete kirore kyo kibiashara na ndigoro Qatar moro tone yotira Kenya ni uchokaniria nende kiwende boimera bya Grace Den ya ndigoro ya Doha LINTURI wete onto kedinye boketera Kenya bwetera kya kugimaria uchore bura bwetera bure ati kandigoro ichieli. Arimi na ridi kumandigurune ya Kenya nini berigeri kuguneka bu kadha kumaniana onania burabu idirito bukiambireria ndigurune ya Qatar bokumenyeka ya Doha International Horticultural Expo. Minista wa Urimi ya Kenya Franklin LINTURI na kinyeti ndigurune ya Qatar na rata rate ya kuguneka kura Kenya kwerigero nende kwedire kigunika na kuo kiri arimi arakinya Kenya ikedire kiona kanya kakona ni otunga bwayo kwa mieri itano yete.
I'm happy to announce to say that out of the discussions that we've been having with the various leaders and the various business people around, we are going to participate in this expo by having our tent or a stand for the next 5 months, so that we can use this opportunity to be able to exhibit, to be able to bring to the world to know what Kenya is able to do, and especially in the area of trying to market and promote our various value chains in agriculture.
Minista huo na itanambere na utaridi Urimi bointo tamayani na kinyaka wa vya Kenya ati nibidagiro nende bikiumba uteyo buka tandiguruni ya Qatar amwena kwagerithia nyama ontupraba wete bakatira iba kubwithia kenda chienda kwandigurune u.
Tea is another area, and I'm happy to learn that people here really appreciate the kind of quality of tea that comes from Kenya. We've also decided that out of the discussions that we've had, we are doing our best. We run the midnight oil to be able to open or resolve the outstanding issues, so that we can be able to export our meat from Kenya to Qatar.
Awite kanya kau kateithia Kenya bukata kire kuona NYOMBA ni bwayo na kiwi kuriana uchiona ni akire aguri kadumba kumandiguru ningi ontavura nindi akwa bwatetheria arimi ba Kenya na Kenya Kenyeri yonde
to bring or use this expo to be able to demonstrate to the world what Kenya is doing is a great opportunity for us, and is something that we cannot really afford to lose. So I think we will be able, in the next 5 months, really to present very strong brands of the various value chains that we are doing in this sector, so that people that are coming from all over the world are able to have a taste of Kenyan products here from Qatar.
Nawe murungamiri wa mubango yondiguruni ya Qatar nwe Badero Mar Aldafa augite ni baranite na Kenya ukurukira Minista LINTURI akiwa na wetikio na ndiro arero kedaru itedara kia kinyokulikithia uchore bondiguru ichiele.
It's very much appreciated. That would really, we believe that will open the door for a closer cooperation between the countries in different areas. We have talked about, I was really lucky and fortunate to visit Nairobi just a few weeks ago. And honestly, I was amazed by what I saw in terms of the quality of the tea, of the coffee, of the meat that I have tasted.
Yaraugite bakagiriria na kulikithia kinyochore ate kandiguru ichiele kenda nyuma ya mambura ya kwethira kinya kwetana mbere kwethira kwinochore.
We have also talked about strengthening relation in other areas, and we will leave this open for future talks. Qatar, the state of Qatar, has a priority also in terms of strengthen relation with African countries, and now today we have the honor to have His Excellency the Minister with us, where we will talk about the future cooperation.